These fruit mold shaping videos are blowing up on social media right now. They're pulling in millions of views and helping brand new channels grow insanely fast with massive engagement. I recently came across a channel that was created less than 7 days ago and it already gained over 1.5K subscribers with just 11 videos, totaling more than 6 million views. Honestly, this is one of the craziest growth patterns I've seen in a while. The best part is that this niche is still not saturated, which means you can start right now and still get the same level of engagement. That's exactly why I'm making this video, to show you step by step how to create these videos yourself without spending money on any AI tools. So first, open ChatGPT and go to the Explore GPTs section. Search for fruit mold and click on the one shown here, then start the chat. Once you're inside, click the Start button at the top to begin. The GPT will ask you 3 simple questions to generate your prompts. It will ask whether you want a man or a woman, the type of fruit, and the object shape. You can also type something like more ideas if you want additional variations to choose from. For this example, we'll go with a man, tomato as the fruit type, and a frog as the object shape. Once you send that, give it a few seconds and it will generate 4 image prompts and 3 video prompts for you. Now, copy the first image prompt from ChatGPT and head over to Flow. Inside Flow, switch to image mode, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 so it fits perfectly for shorts, set the image output to 4, and choose Nano Banana Pro as your generation model. Next, upload a reference image of the person you want to use for the fruit molding process. After uploading the image, paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT into the prompt box and generate. Once it's finished, you'll get 4 different images showing the person placing a mold in the shape of the object you selected. From there, pick the one you like the most, download it, and archive the rest. For the next step, click on the 3 dots on your selected image and choose Add to Prompt so it becomes your new reference image. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the second image prompt, return to Flow, paste it in, and generate again. You'll get another set of images. Download your favorite result and archive the others just like before. For the third image, upload your original reference image again along with the second generated image where the fruit is filling the mold shape. After that, go back to ChatGPT, copy the third prompt, paste it into Flow, and generate. Once it's done, you'll see images where the mold is now transparent and the fruit has taken the shape inside it. Download your favorite version and remove the rest. For the final image, use the latest generated image as your reference. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the fourth prompt, paste it into Flow, and generate your final result. This will give you the completed fruit mold transformation image. At this point, you should have all 4 video images ready, and now we can move on to the video stage. Go to Google and search for Google Opal. Then click the first result, sign in with your Gmail account, and set up your account if needed. Once you're inside, create a new project. Click on Generate, then select User Input and make sure to position everything properly. After that, click the small dot next to the User Input tab and drag it to connect it to the Generate tab. Open the User Input settings and go into Advanced Settings, then change the mode type from Agent to Image. After that, open the Generate settings, switch the generation model to VO, go into Advanced Settings again, set the model version to VO 3.1, and make sure the aspect ratio is set to 9:16. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the first video prompt, paste it into the Generate section, then click Preview and hit Start. When prompted, click the plus icon and upload your first image as the starting frame. Send it and wait for a few moments for the generation to complete. Then download your first video clip. To create the second video, clear the existing prompt and replace it with a second video prompt from ChatGPT. Go back to Preview, refresh it, and reconnect the user input to the Generate tab just like before. Click Start, then upload your first image as the starting frame and your second image as the ending frame. Generate the clip and download it once it's done. For the final video clip, repeat the same process again using the third video prompt. Upload your third image as the start frame and your fourth image as the end frame, then generate. After a few seconds, your final video will be ready.
The mold is coming off now. See the details? It's perfect. Wow. Look at the little frog.
Now that you have all your video clips, open any video editing software you prefer. In this case, you can use CapCut. Import all your clips and arrange them in the correct order on the timeline so the transition flows smoothly from start to finish. Add simple transitions between each clip to make it more visually appealing. A transition like mix works really well for this type of content. One very important thing to keep in mind is not to add any background music inside your editor. Export the video first without music. Then when uploading to TikTok or YouTube Shorts, add a trending sound sound directly on the platform. This is what helps boost your reach and increase your chances of going viral. And that's it. You now have your own fruit mold shaping video ready to post. If you start now while this trend is still fresh, there's a very high chance you can tap into this wave and grow your channel quickly.
The mold is coming off now. See the details? It's perfect. Wow. Look at the little frog.